Hi, it's the monsoon season, and although we welcome the relief from the scorching heat of summer, but this may not be the best season for your skin and hair. The oil secreting glands become hyperactive during the rainy weather, and this leads to clogging of pores and accumulation of bacterial growth. Due to the humidity in the weather in this season, oily skin is likely to suffer from acne and seborrheic dermatitis, that is greasiness of the scalp. As a result, your skin has acne flare-ups. Always use oil-free gentle cleansers for the face. Facial scrubs twice or thrice a week are advisable. Use a non-comedogenic, non-greasy sunscreen. It's not just the oily skin, but dry skin also loses its capability to self-repair in monsoons. Therefore, use light moisturizers, drink plenty of fluids to take care of the internal hydration, and avoid frizzy drinks like canned juices and sugar drinks, as they can make the skin dull. The damp and moist skin surfaces are also more prone to bacterial and fungal infections. Therefore, always dry the clothes properly before wearing. Change socks every day and use cotton socks, which are more absorbent and let your skin breathe. Wear loose and airy clothes which do not stick to the skin. Wear cotton undergarments and change regularly to maintain proper hygiene. Hope the video was informative. Do like and share our videos to spread awareness. The hair also gets significantly damaged during the element of this season. The humidity results in frizziness and unmanageability, making the hair dull and weak. Constant sweating due to humidity can also aggravate oiliness in the scalp, leading to dandruff. To avoid such oily scalp, avoid getting heavy hair treatments like smoothing and straightening. Use hair mask or moisturizing mask only once a week if at all. And to reverse the damaged hair, use coconut oil to massage just before the head washes. Take nutritional supplements like vitamin E and other antioxidants only after consultation from your dermatologist. You can apply conditioners before shampoo to avoid making the hair look limp. Hope the video was informative. Do like and share our videos to spread awareness.